most recent updates in dermatology. We are so happy to welcome you and looking forward to seeing you tomorrow and after tomorrow in the second and third day. Today we had the second General Assembly of MEIDAM Association in the presence of representatives from the American Academy of Dermatology and the Royal College of Physicians. We're so excited of what MEIDAM has to present next. Looking forward to